Good morning, dear parents and my lovely students. Welcome back to our nature study session. Today's our topic is books and stationery, page number 20. Parents, please refer Jivandeep My World picture book. Today we are going to see page number 20, books and stationeries. Books and stationeries. First is book. Eraser. This is notebook. This is slate. This is sharpener. This is ink pot. This is pen. This is pencil. This is ball pen. This is school bag. And this is color box and brush. And this is crayons color. Shall we repeat? Once again, book, eraser, notebook, slate, sharpener, ink pot, pen, pencil, ball pen, school bag, color box, brush, crayons color. So students, shall we repeat? Once again, books and stationeries. Book, eraser, notebook, slate, sharpener, ink pot, pen, pencil, ball pen, school bag, color box, brush, crayons color. So dear parents, please take practice of your child to learn this page number 20, books and stationery. Thank you.